Alright, so I just realized I didn't give you guys an explanation. So before we start today's video, transmission, as you guys can see in this video, is need of a rebuild. So synchros are shot, the fork to engage third gear and I believe sixth gear, it's broken because like I couldn't shift to the third gear at all. So we're replacing some parts, with replacing the throttle bearing too. And yeah, so yeah, sorry if it's a little bit all over the place, but yeah, the car needed a rebuild, and this is already after the transmission is rebuilt. So yeah, so enjoy a little montage, and yeah, enjoy today's video, guys. Peace. All right, so we got the tranny in the back now. All we gotta do now is go to my buddy's house, and he's gonna take it apart, install the synchros and the LSD, and we can get it back, get it installed, and we'll be good to go. Shakedown on the car, gonna see how the new transmission feels, the new ball joints. So yeah, got some POV action for you guys, and enjoy. Yeah, these ball joints definitely make a difference too. Got some hard race ball joints on here too. Steering response is a lot stiffer, more direct. Obviously you can tell a big difference too, because I mean my old ball joints were blown. Woo! That's made it to the halfway mark. Ah, man. So it's currently a Monday morning. It's around 6:30. Yeah, 6:30. Ah, man. All by myself. Look at that view. So yeah, I'm not sure if I didn't record too much. So my car was down for like around a month. So I started off with the transmission. I got my synchros, I got my limited slip, got those installed, but then turns out our clutch fork was bad, so I had to replace that. Noticed that the ball joints were shot, so I had to order that as well. And I had issues with with my coilover system. I'll get into depth right now later on, but yeah, car feels really good. Definitely a big plus on the LSD. I mean, way more grip, 100% would recommend. But yeah, just enjoy this for you guys. Check this out. Currently have this head strap on, so I hope you guys are enjoying the footage. But yeah, let's get back on the road. So, guess we got some explaining to do. Excuse the wind noise if there's any. Alright, so where do I start? So, as you can see, the car's together. Looking nice as always. So, my transmission took a dump. So the synchro shot in my fork. My fork in transmission that engages like third gear was completely like broken. So, I went ahead and got a Synchro Tech Master rebuild kit. Comes with 1 through 6 synchronizers, bearing seals, OEM bearings, and also want to go ahead and buy a limited differential from M Factory. Figured might as well, you know, since the car was already going to be on stand and the transmission was going to be out. So I went ahead and hit the bullet. A little rip this would be. So I'm going to go ahead and did that too. It's giving me a little bit of anxiety. I'm going to drop this a little bit lower. So yeah, and as I was doing everything, I noticed that my ball joints were shot. So I went and got a pair of harsh brace ball joints. So those are on, feel super nice. A lot more stiff, obviously. A lot more response. Probably need to because they're not blown. But yeah, super satisfied with those ball joints. They were like 80 bucks for like the pair, including shipping, so can't really complain. And yeah, and I also had issues with my coilover system. So this nut right here is what actually connects the shock to this top strut tower. So, and this bushing too was completely shot, and this nut was loose. It was about to come off. It had like maybe like 2 full 360 no turns before it like popped off. So as you can imagine, it was kind of like bouncing around, and I thought the shocks were blown. So I almost got a new set of coilovers, but thankfully I didn't. Still run these for a little bit longer, so I switch them out. But yeah, car's been down for a while, actually well over a month now, and it's back together. So partly due why I haven't been uploading either. And I didn't record too much of the process. I did do like a little as you guys probably seen this video, me just taking the transmission, taking it to the guy that's gonna fix it up. And yeah, but yeah, overall car feels really well. Like I said, I've been running into rubbing issues, so I might have to run a spacer and roll these fenders out a bit more, because I'm getting a lot of rubbing in the inside. Kind of makes the car vibrate. I'm assuming that the wheel gets caught on this fender liner, you know, or in the fender, and it's causing it to understeer a bit, which is really dangerous. So like I said, I wasn't really pushing it too much because of that fact. But yeah, feels really good. I'm really happy where she's at right now. So yeah, guys, probably gonna start heading back now, so enjoy the drive back. Let me just take a moment to appreciate how nice it is out here. It's like 68 degrees, 70 degrees, nice wind, sun's barely coming up. What a view. Actually, my first video, I guess like real video, my channel featuring my car was up here. It was kind of like a little walk around. It's kind of crazy to see where the car's at now compared to like maybe a year and a half ago. Just gonna decided to share this because it's really nice out here. No one's out here. It's Monday morning. It's nice and peaceful. Yeah, I'm not sure if this captures the sheer size of this like kind of like valley canyon area. Alrighty guys, start heading back. I'm just gonna cruise on back. Oops.